Soumya Creation are a worldwide merchandise sourcing organization specialized in manufacturing and exporting of knitted ready-made garments to the international market located in Tirupur. We supply retail fashion outlets, boutiques and private label companies with affordable designer apparel manufactured to demanding specifications. At Soumya Creation, we work with the motto quality is remembered long after the price is forgotten. And with a vision to go in for sustainable products, we are delivering organic certified garments to our clients. Established in 2014, we have our clients from all over Europe and USA. We are delivering our products to some of the most esteemed football club merchandises in Germany, such as Bayern Munich, BVB and Schalke, and also we are GOTS, SEDEX, Oikotex and Disney Pharma certified factory. We also provide a safe and healthy workplace to all the employees. Soumya Creation has an in-house knitting division unit with imported machinery from Germany. Yarns are knitted in state-of-the-art machines from the make of Mayer and C. Our in-house dyeing unit, established in 1988, is a big boon to us. We proudly can say that we are a zero discharge factory as we have our own RO plant with us. The fabrics proceed into the imported dye dispenser and color calibration systems. Fabrics are being lab tested, ensuring that all the dyes and chemicals used are GOTS and Oikotex certified. We also ensure desired colors in the first go and meet precision within timelines. Our dyeing division is equipped to dye 400 tons of fabric every month in a wide spectrum of colors. Our dyeing unit uses imported high-end fabric finishers from Germany named Bruckner to meet the expected results and attain the best quality of the fabric. The fabric processors can produce numerous knit patterns meeting timeless trends. Fabrics are inspected for achieving required quality parameters before cutting and packed perfectly and will be dispatched to the factory. The fabric will be in-housed to our production unit and proceed with cutting by spreading the fabric, and CAD ensures optimized cutting with minimal wastage. The parts are placed and cutting is done manually. Strong dexterity gained over the years converts every imagination to design at Soumya Creation. We use a highly sophisticated printing machine HJD from China. The embroidery is done in flat high-speed machines of Tajima. The accuracy and precision will be on point. Subsequently, the fabric parts are set and matched infallibly, assembling the parts for the sewing section and forwarded to fusing. It is done before the sewing, and the highly skilled team meticulously sews the embellished fabrics with high-speed sewing machines. Our production unit is supported by 150 sewing machines to produce over 2 lakhs pieces per month in a 25,000 square feet area. We have over 250 employees, of which 48% are female workers. Each and every product is properly hand-checked by removing all the untrimmed threads and oil stains in the product and proceeding to ironing. The products are properly ironed and begin with final inspection and packing. In the end, the finished designer apparel is packed with care and proceeded with cartons and is ready to be shipped worldwide. Soumya Creation has taken part in reaching several destinations across the globe. We have a reputed team taking care of shipment and logistics, so the cargo reaches our clients hassle-free and has continuously appeased several reputed brands from different parts of the world. Committed to delivering the finest designer products, innovating apparel, keeping alongside evolving trends with trust and deeply rooted in every heart. Soumya Creation.